Jimmy John. Look at the size of that thing.
What?
What is that?
It's a wrench.
A wrench? That thing's huge.
Yeah, I'm gonna send Mommy to it.
You want to give it to Mommy?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to her.
No.
Why?
Trust.
Is that wood?
We gotta go find some wood for the project we're gonna do.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
All right, let's roll.
But Daddy, we need nails to put it together.
No, we have nails, bud. What are you supposed to say?
Hi. What did you say?
Hi. Welcome to Home Improvement Hammer Time
Hammer time.
with James
and the Dukes.
James and the Dukes.
Then we're gonna put this.
All right, guys. Today we're gonna be building a birdhouse we picked up at a local home improvement store. We're here with James. The Dukes is currently off the daycare, but we do have another one, coin machine, for when he gets back. We'll be building that with him. Stay tuned. You ready to build?
Yes.
All right. So as soon as we open the package here, we
Look at Daddy.
look at all the pieces. What'd you build, buddy? What are you building over there with your hammer?
I don't know.
Yeah, welcome, special guest Murray. Murray, say hi. No? Alright, so we see this here. It's actually pretty cool. We thought we'd have to hang this thing from a tree, but you can just stick it onto a window. You know, you can watch it from inside the house. It's also pretty cool. You get to teach your kids some things here with fun facts about birdhouses and different types of birds here. It's pretty neat. We'll get it together here. Alright, can you describe to them what we need here? Or what we have here?
Yep.
Alright, what do we got? It's pretty cool because tell them the kit. You see the kit, it already comes with prefabricated.
Yeah.
You know what prefabricated means?
No.
It means when something already comes done for you. Can you say prefabricated?
Prefabricated.
Prefabricated.
Yeah, prefabricated.
Alright, we'll get there at some point. It's already got prefabricated holes, pre-drilled holes here. All you really need is a hammer, and that's about it. I got some wood glue stuff here, you know, just to put in the seams of this to make it stand by a little bit longer.
Daddy, this is to get that stuff
What are you getting?
down
What are you
here.
doing down there? Can you look through it? Can you see all the way down? What's
Yeah.
down there? What's down there?
Nothing.
Do you see rocks or something?
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
Only. They had my touch down there.
You gotta make it longer, buddy. But you know what?
What?
It's time to build a birdhouse. Okay?
But Daddy, I made to build it along.
Well, we're gonna build a birdhouse, and then maybe we can build that long after.
Really long with all
Really
these.
long with all of those, yep.
And but
All right.
Daddy, will Mommy get all more when she gets home?
Yes. Do you want to build?
Yep.
All right, grab your hammer.
Okay.
All right, let's get to work. Time. All right, hey, slow down, pay attention. Come on, let's go, bud. Let's go, board number 2 on. Be gentle with this time, okay? Don't push down on that, you're gonna break it. You can go a little bit harder, buddy. Good concentration, bud. Keep going. A little bit harder, pal. Hit the screw, come on. All right, try the other one.
Hey, that one's already hit.
What?
Yeah.
It's already hit.
Yeah.
Who
Look,
hit it?
I made it.
All right, try this way. Try it again.
Maury. Maury's only.
Murray, what are you sniffing? Don't get mad.
What?
Don't get mad. You gotta be gentle. All right, there you go. Hit it a little harder, bud.
Like this.
All right, next one. That one's in. Whoa. All right, now try it. All right, are they all good? You got them all in there, bud? Hey, hey. Uh-oh, did you break it?
No.
No.
I didn't break
Okay,
it
here you go,
out.
smile. Smile. Are you being silly? You little silly boy. Alright, Phil, you gotta stop building your straw thing.
Why?
Alright, you're gonna build it. Let me see you build your straw thing. How do you do it?
We just put it through that.
I'm gonna put it through the back holes here.
No, that's
Hey, you gotta go away, pup.
it's almost way up.
Almost way up. Let's see how high it goes. Is it touching the tree yet?
Not yet.
No? Okay. Well, do you want to keep building or no?
No, you just build it and I'll build it.
You want me to build the rest of this and you can build?
Where am I gonna put it?
Where do you want to put it? Can you show people? Show everyone. Show look what me and Daddy built.
Look at me and Daddy build
What is it?
a tree house.
A tree house or a bird house?
A bird house.
It's a bird house?
Yes.
And can you show everyone the back of it? See how it's open? You know what that's for?
No.
It's so you can stick it on a window and see all the birds when they're inside of it.
But if there's birds in it, we can bring it inside.
This is what the birds will look like when they see through you. When they look at you through the window. Is that funny?
Yeah.
All right.
But where are we gonna put these?
Those go in here, look. You put them on. So you stick them in, slide them. They go boop. Like that. There's one. That is two. Are you done building your straw yet?
No.
All right. You know what we got to do?
What?
We got to pick up all the trash you made with the straws. You got to pick it all up. All right. You want to know why?
Why?
Because we don't want the little birds and other animals to choke on it. So we got to pick it up and throw it in the trash, all right?
What trash?
The trash. We got to recycle it. Okay, because you recycle plastic, buddy, all right? Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, can you wave?
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Hammer time with James and the Dukes.
Daddy, the Dukes wasn't here.
I know he wasn't here. Where was he?
He was at daycare.
All right, he was at daycare. All right, say bye. See you next time on Hammer Time.
See you next time on Hair Time. Bye.